Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we have the Fifine AmpliGame SC3, which is widely regarded as one of the best values for the money entry-level audio mixers for streamers and gamers, effectively serving as a budget-friendly alternative to high-end interfaces like the GoXLR. With a price of only $50 or less, it delivers a surprisingly robust feature set, including a dedicated XLR input, 48-volt Vanda power, 4-channel faders with physical mute buttons, and customizable RGB lighting that adds a vibrant aesthetic to any desktop. The body has a great feel to it. The faders work wonderfully. While its all-plastic build and slightly wiggly sliders reflect its budget nature, the device stands out for its plug-and-play simplicity, requiring no external software to operate. It's powered by Type-C USB. It also includes, albeit somewhat gimmicky, extras like voice changers and 4 customizable sound pads for on-the-fly effects. Its preamp offers a modest 50 decibels of gain, which is perfect for Fifine's own microphones like the AM8, but may struggle to power gain-hungry professional dynamic mics without an external booster. Overall, if you're a beginner looking to move from a USB to an XLR setup without steep learning curves or high costs, the SC3 is highly recommended, and it's definitely a stepping stone into audio mixing and gaming. Overall, the SC3 is the ultimate gateway into the world of XLR audio. It looks somewhat like a toy, feels like a toy, but actually performs like a surprisingly capable budget tool. If you're a beginner who wants physical sliders to slide and lights to glow without breaking the bank, this is your move. When it comes to the Fifine SC3, simplicity isn't just a marketing buzzword. It's the device's entire personality. If you've ever been traumatized by complex audio software that requires a PhD to route your microphone to Discord, the SC3 is your emotional support animal. It's entirely driverless. You plug it in via USB-C and your computer recognizes it instantly. No bloated background apps, no firmware updates that break your settings, just pure, unadulterated, it just works energy. The monitoring capability is where the SC3 truly punches above its weight class. It offers zero latency hardware monitoring, which is technical speak for you hear your own voice in your headphones the millisecond you speak. So the verdict on the ease of use? It's the ultimate set it and forget it box. It takes the terrifying world of XLR audio and turns it into a series of brightly colored buttons that even a caffeinated toddler could master. Thanks for tuning in. Please give this video a like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.